Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Thank you so much for your kind feedback. I was reading the comments on the previous video and I'm so happy that many of you had already signed up for the Amazon UAE and they are interested and willing to launch their private label. And good news for those who are living in UAE that we are coming to the UAE. Today lecture is very important because when I realized that many of you has already signed up for the Amazon UAE account, so I think it's necessary we have to discuss this part of the course in the beginning. Otherwise, if you see my other series on my other channel, I used to discuss the tax matter at the end because it's not very complicated in USA. But when you talk about the UAE, it's also not complicated because the tax percentage is fixed. In UK, yes, it's tricky because state to state tax is variable. When you talk about the USA, yes, tax is variable state to state, but Amazon take the responsibility to collect the sales tax, or you can say VAT, from the buyer and submit it to the government. But when you talk about the UAE, it's our responsibility as a seller that we have to collect the VAT, means value added tax. In some terms, you can say the sales tax from the buyer of our product. So what is the percentage of the VAT in UAE? So let's go to the board and discuss. First of all, VAT means many of you already know it's value added tax, and the percentage which UAE charge is in UAE. If you sell anything other than Amazon, if you sell anything in UAE, you have to pay 5% VAT to the government on every sale if you are selling in UAE. But there are some relaxation for few people. Who are those? Let's discuss. Condition one. Let's discuss condition one. You are UAE resident, not national resident, and there are many people who are UAE resident, and you sign up Amazon account and start your sale. Do you have to pay 5% tax to the government? The answer is no, till the sale reach to 3,75,000 AED. I hope you are clear now. If you are a UAE resident and you sign up account and start your sale, you don't need to get registered for VAT or pay anything to the government. But until and unless you reach this threshold, so the threshold for the UAE resident is 3,75,000 AED. If you exceed the sale, then you have to register VAT. You need a VAT number so that you can pay tax to the UAE government. Now let's talk about condition. This was a condition one. Now let's discuss the condition two. In condition two, you are non-resident. When I say non-resident, it means you don't have UAE resident visa or Emirates ID. You are living somewhere in India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, or any other country which allows to sign up Amazon account in UAE. And for example, I'm living in Pakistan. I apply for the sign up Amazon UAE from Pakistan. So I will be considered as a non-resident because I am not living in UAE. So I am a non-resident. But when I will register on Amazon UAE, what I need to do, what is threshold for me? Because for UAE resident, there is a threshold of 3,75,000. But in condition two, if I am a non-resident, I have to register VAT right from my first sale. Means when I get first order, I sold my 1 unit, I have to get registered for VAT within 30 days to avoid any type of penalty by the government. So next question is how to register VAT. Very simple. You can Google it. FTA, I think it's Federal Taxation Authority of the UAE. You can go to the website. Okay, just type FTA UAE in the Google. You will find the website link. Just simply click. They will ask information about your business. Simple, give the information whatever they want. If you have crossed the threshold, then you have to provide some invoices. You have to provide your UA resident visa or your Emirates ID to register in FTA. After you fill that form, they will take some time to review your application. Then they will issue a VAT number, okay, through which you can pay VAT to the government, which is 5% if you exceed from this. In this case, you have to, the first thing is you have to register VAT. Another thing is that when you will apply for the FTA, maybe it will be a little difficult for a non-resident individual. If you are a non-resident and individual, it is very rare chance that you get the FTA, you get the VAT number from FTA, because UAE government does not want you to do business in UAE without registering any LLC or taking any trade lessons. So if you want to do any business activity in the premises of UAE and you are not living in UAE, you are not the resident, you have to register a company. In that case, FTA will give you a VAT number. So now here we raise the condition 3. Condition 3 is register LLC. And yes, you can register LLC as a non-resident. But when you will register a LLC in UAE, you will be considered as a resident because your company is in UAE. Now, when you register company in UAE, the first benefit you will get about the threshold, which is 3,75,000 AED. You don't have to pay any VAT when you register LLC in UAE. So you don't have to pay any VAT if you register LLC in UAE, and you have the threshold value of 3,75,000. On the other hand, if you are doing business through another LLC which is other than UAE, then obviously you will be considered as non-resident and you have to uh, register the VAT right from the first sale. Procedure to register VAT is very simple. You can go to the FTA website and you can register your VAT and get the registration number. But if you think it's a tricky and you cannot do it, there is a number given below. We also provide the services for the VAT registration. We also provide the service for the LLC registration in UAE. If you need any type of services like this, company formation, trade licenses obviously, or VAT registration, you can simply call the number below or you can send the WhatsApp message and tell about your nature of business. We will give you the services. It's not only limited to the Amazon. If you have if you are interested in doing any type of business of trading in UAE, we are available to register your LLC and providing you the VAT. And if you want to register our upcoming batch, which is starting from the 20th October, here's the number below. Simply call and register yourself. We have very, very limited seat because it's in UAE. In Pakistan, we have a big space. In UAE, we have a limited area. So we can only cater limited students. In case of any question, you can simply comment below, I will answer you personally. See you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.